This week on Trash Panda Off-Road, really quickly show you what I do in order to level out the hood so I can use it as a table. I've had a lot of guys ask me about how I make this little, basically how I level out the hood in order to make a camping table. When you're out there in the woods, the one thing you definitely need is more flat space. So I used to just put a rock in there, and then I was like, okay, well, that's a decent enough idea, and it works. But now I use just a piece of PVC, stick it over the top of the bump there. This piece is, I think 1.5 by 4.5, maybe 4 1/4, something like that. But you just drop it right there, stick it right there. It levels out the hood. So that's how I do it, quick and easy. And then I just throw these back in the glove box. And that way I have them around. And if you got nice paint, probably might not want to do this because you never know. Like I got a rock here, you know, but whatever. It's overland rig. It's built to be taken into the woods. So anyways, guys have asked me about that. A couple of guys have already copied it and took it and ran with it and even made improvements to it. But that's how I do it. So wanted to put this out there for you guys. Quick follow-up to close this video out because I watched it and realized I did not mention it's two. One for each side. One goes under the bump on top of the bolts here. One goes on top of the bolts here. They are 1.5 by 4.5, and you do need 2 of them in order to make this thing level. So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Check out the rest of the channel, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.